Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can have flowers coming out of your body on Dress to Impress. So you will need the teddy bear. Yes, we will be using the teddy and apple combo. Toggle it to the second toggle first, and I'm just going to color it this green. It's for the back anyways, you won't be able to see it. Then select the apple and toggle it to the rotten to the core. Then you will need this bag here. Toggle to the second one. And then go out here to get the flower. And then we're going to color everything in. I'm just going to color this color. Maybe a little bit lighter on the leaves. Then I'm just going to start coloring how I want the flowers to be. Don't know what I'm coloring here because I can't see. There we go. And then go back to the teddy bear and toggle it to the first one. And it looks like you have flowers coming out of your body like that. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!